What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for your support. On this vlog, we are gonna take this bike to a bicycle shop nearby. My cousin just fell on it, and you can see the scuffs here. And this bike is so heavy, he fell on the right side this way, that the crank bent inwards because of the weight, and now the pedaling is very awkward. This isn't leveled at all, and we already got clearance from here. You can see the small amount of clearance, and we finally kind of yanked that out. And all day I've been trying to hammer this out with a mallet, and I mean, I barely got clearance. It's not to exactly where I want it. So what I'm just kind of irritated on is he fell at slow speeds, and he was just riding on dirt. And if this fell on concrete of some sort this way, the impact would have been so much stronger. And this, I'm not a fan of the quality of this crank and how it bent so easily. Basically, this is the outcome of one fall from dirt at slow speeds, and it's already off. It's already slanted. So I've been doing my best to put it back in place, but at this point I've given up. I'm just gonna go to the bicycle shop and see what they can do about it. All right. They said come back like at 2 o'clock when their mechanic's here. I guess they don't have everyone here right now. So maybe we'll come back, maybe we won't. Stay tuned in how I'm gonna try to fix these pedals. Here we go. We got a strap under our car, and we're gonna somehow just get the pedals near enough. So I'm trying to pull it outwards. I really hope this works, because after this, the bike shop said come back in the afternoon, and if you know me already, I'm a very impatient guy, and if I can do things myself, I will do it myself. So what I was thinking is, yeah, I think this would be a nice angle to pull. So yeah, this is what I was thinking. You see how it's kind of budging a little bit? And I'm just leaning my weight. But that's actually where we want it, right there. Okay, I feel a little resistance, but I also feel like it's kind of working. It'd be better if I had help on this, but I'm the only one here. Okay, this is one of my better ideas, I think. It's easy to bend inwards, but extremely hard to bend outwards. We do have progress, but is it enough? This is a different day, and I finally found the solution to fix my bent crank arm for my Super73 S2. And before, I rarely had any clearance here. Now I can actually fit my pinky, and it's finally, I want to say 97% back true to form. And you already saw my previous attempts. That really didn't work, but this little guy came in. It's like a mini jack, $30 from Amazon, and this is what did the job. So obviously there's many different ways of trying to bend it backwards. You can have the bike shop kind of take out the crank arm from here, but it's the holidays and they were closed and they weren't really being helpful. So if you want a quick, easy fix, just, grab some cardboard. I just folded it, put it into place, and this is how I did it. You kind of just pop this here. What we're doing is wedging it on this side of the frame, and we're pushing the arm backwards this way because obviously it was bent inwards. So what I did, what you can do, get this rotated in here, find a spot here, and you wedge it against. The way I have it, it would spin that way to extend this mini jack. And once you can't tighten it anymore with your hands, just use a wrench. If you have a wrench, or use this piece that comes with it. That's what it looks like for now. You can see that it's kind of protruding outwards. That's kind of what you want. Do it little by little, leave it overnight, because after I remove it, it'll just bend back pretty straight to the original form. I also imagine the mini jack system can be used on this side too, in case you fall on this side. If that arm bends the same way as this one does, which I'm pretty sure it will, it's the same material, you can probably wedge it on this side in case you fall on your left side. So anyway, that's the process, guys. Hope this was helpful. Again, it only took one fall on this side, and I'm sure some folks have fallen off of these bikes before. They are pretty slippery on sand, or when you're making a turn and you're new on e-bikes, it can happen. So this is an easy fix, because knowing parts from anything in Super73, everything will take about 2 months. That's what one of the cons that I don't like about Super73s. They don't have spare parts as of now. Alright folks, hope this was helpful for you. Kindly like and subscribe for more content. Happy holidays, guys. See you guys in the next video. This is Julian signing out. See you next time.